It was mentioned the former chief PNP.
Which one?
I don't know, ma'am, but former chief PNP daw.
Wow.
Pwede nyo nang pangalanan kung sino itong mga police na na under the monthly payroll. Kasi I think it's unfair for the police organization.
It was mentioned the former chief PNP.
Which one?
I don't know, ma'am, but former chief PNP daw.
Wow. Alright. Salamat, General Villanueva. Sino pong resource person ng PNP dito? Yes, sir. General Takaka. So we've heard a few of the agencies so far saying nagkukondukta po sila ng internal investigation sa kanila ring mga hanay. Narinig nyo or sa sariling Intel Directorate at units ng PNP, meron din po bang ganitong mga impormasyon, ganitong mga hundreds of millions of pesos in di umano mga bribe amount sa mga matataas na opisyal sa BI at ngayon nababanggit pati isang dating PNP chief pa. Sa inyo pong investigasyon, ano pong lumalabas, General?
Good afternoon, Madam Chair. For the part po ng PNP, so far po wala po kaming report with regards po kung may mga nasuulan na PNP personnel. But despite of that po ay yung aming pong intelligence community ay tuloy-tuloy po ang kanilang pag-coordinate sa ibang agencies para malaman kung may mga PNP personnel na involved, then we will file the necessary case po kung may mga evidence po kaming makukuha, Your Honor.
General, I'm almost disappointed. Dahil sa isang naunang hearing, kayo ang naunang institusyon na nakaalam na nakatakas na sa bansa si Go Huaping. Kayo lang yung nagsabi, August 14 pa lang alam nyo na. At August 15 sinabihan nyo ang BI. Whereas all the other agencies then said August 19 lang daw nila nalaman nung nag-manifestation ako na parang sa Senado pa umaasa ng Intel ang ating Intel agencies. I cannot believe it and I don't want to believe it. Kasi pag ganun talaga ang state of Intel natin, kawawa tayo sa mga susunod na panahon. So sir, earlier, the PNP resource person in an earlier hearing also said, may internal investigation kayong ginagawa. Wala pa bang bunga yun? Especially about a very important issue like corruption of high officials within the organization.
Yes, ma'am, yung report sa amin na nakatakas si Alice po is coming from the Interpol po, ma'am. So yun po yung naging information po namin coming from the Interpol po na nakuha po natin. So, then yung sa mga allegations po na is ongoing naman po, ma'am, yung aming investigation.
Yes, sir, pero more than a month ago na po yung August 14 na input ng Interpol. So really, I'm shocked. And PNP widow po ako, alam nyo naman. So may expectation ako sa National Police natin. Well, thank you, General, but PNP has to come back with more than that sa komiteng ito. Kami, ginagawa namin yung aming trabaho in terms of investigation in aid of legislation, but patapos na rin po kami. Step up na dapat talaga ang law enforcement. Salamat, General Takaka. Before I recognize Senator Joel, balik lang, General Villanueva, you mentioned a former chief PNP. Mula sa intel nyo, anong klaseng tulong, aid o assistance ang pinrovide nung taong ito?
I don't know the exact ma'am kung anong pinrovide na support. Basta yun lang naman na nabanggit sa amin, sir, but hindi pa na-confirm yan, ma'am, kung talagang nagbigay or binigyan or tinanggap or may witnesses. Yun lang po ang naririnig namin, sir, within the intelligence community, but I'm out of the loop po kasi lately, ma'am, hindi ko din ma-confirm yan, ma'am, kung ano.
I understand, General, pero just to be clear, bahagi ng usap-usapan sa Intel community na a former chief PNP ay on the take kay Go Huaping. Tama po?
Yes, ma'am, yan, pero hindi ko din ma-ascertain yan, ma'am, kung kanino galing yung report, ma'am. It's just parang rumors lang within the intelligence community. I think they are validating it right now. I even went to Nika last week, but there's no information about it, ma'am.
Salamat, General. That's all well noted. Pero dun sa usap-usapan na vine-verify pa ng buong Intel community, kasama din ba sa usap-usapan na itong alleged former Chief PNP ay tinulungan ng kahit sino sa mga kasalukuyang government officials natin sa usapin ng pagtakas ni Go Huaping?
Wala naman, ma'am. Ang parang usapan dun, ma'am, parang nasa payroll, yung monthly payroll ever since.
It gets worse and worse. Kanina, bad enough yung magbayad di umano ng daang milyong pisong suhol para makatakas ang isang Go Huaping. Even worse kung historically may monthly payroll. Attorney Magno, sa NBI po ba may ganyang mga anggulo rin tinitignan ang bureau, yung suhol pati sa isang dating Chief PNP at yung monthly payroll pati sa mga government officials?
Madam Chair, lahat po yan ay tinitingnan po natin, but at this moment we cannot comment on the investigation and intelligence gathering that we are conducting. Since sa binubuo po naming pag-backtrack at pag-iimbestiga ay kasama po namin tinitingnan niya, Madam Chair.
Salamat, Attorney Magno. Kanina nabanggit ni General Villanueva ang NICA. I think I heard we have a resource person here from NICA. Yes, sir. If you could come forward po. Does NICA have anything to tell us at this point? Kung may investigasyon din kayo sa anggulo ng mataas na BI official, mataas na PNP official, ultimong dating PNP chief di umano, o sino mang current government officials na mga tumulong sa pagtakas ni Go Huaping. Nakapanumpa kayo kanina, sir. Ano po? Okay, salamat, sir. Yung pangalan po ninyo, sir?
Magandang umaga po, Madam Chairperson. The Honorables, I am Director Ferlo Silvio po ng NICA. Katulad po ng sinabi ni Attorney Magno, tuloy-tuloy po yung aming investigasyon dito po sa Pilipinas at kasama po sa ibang bansa. Lalong-lalo na sa Malaysia and Indonesia. Generally po, I cannot give the specific progress. Pero may pagtuloy-tuloy na pag-uusap po ngayon ng aming liaison officers kasama po yung police attaches ng dalawang post, Malaysia at Indonesia. For now po, kung sakali po, I'm sorry, I cannot give a comment with regards to the new statement given by General Villanueva. Pero I rest assured po ang NICA magbibigay ng developments.
Salamat po. Pero yung mga nababanggit ng mga posibleng personalidad at mga posisyong inukupahan nila dati o inuokupahan ngayon, kasama po yon sa ongoing investigation ng NICA? O sa fact-finding ng NICA?
Sa ngayon po ay priority po namin yon. Kung nakalagay po doon sa ibang mga agenda, i-priority po namin yan. Makakaso po kayo, Madam Chairperson.
Salamat.
Madam Chair.
Senator Joel.
I am being tempted to raise a point of order, but perhaps I will just ask if the committee was able to receive the request of this representation, if you recall, in the very, very, very first hearing, to ask the agencies of the government as to how they conduct yung pong case build-up, yung papaano yung hypothesis nila, yung protocols nila, yung way of how they establish, Madam Chair, yung mga binabalangkas nila at sasabihin nilang ito na talaga yung validated information. Did we receive anything from the different agencies of the government that we asked for, Madam Chair?
Salamat, Senator Joel. Nare-recall po ng Chair iyan at iniugnay din sa tanong ng Chair sa mga ahensya, ano yung mga teorya nyo ng pagtakas ni Go Huaping. Comsec, nakapagsumite na po ba yung ating mga ahensya nitong at least nabuo o nabubuo nilang kwento ng pagtakas na iyon?
Madam Chair, I can see our COMSEC saying wala ni isa pa rin na nagbibigay sa atin. Wala pa rin ni isa. Madam Chair, matatapos na tayo sa hearing na to.
Correct.
Wala pa rin na format lang and protocols, papaano nila ginagampanan yung tungkulin nila. Another thing, Madam Chair, that I'd like to raise.
Before you raise the other point, Senator Joel, please, the government agencies present today na sigurado ko lahat kayo ay nandoon sa unang hearing na yon, please submit within the day what you have so far in the last more than a month since that request was made and the chair asked it from you. All right, please,
Thank you.
everyone.
Thank you very much, Madam
Senator
Chair. And
Joel.
I can see
Yes.
our resource persons nodding their head. Let the record show that. Madam Chair, we also would like to find out if, because the statements of retired General Raul Villanueva about the PNP, did we invite General Karamat, Madam Chair?
Senator Joel, General Karamat is present. General,
He's here. He's here.
lapit po kayo dito sa ating
Okay.
mesa.
Thank you. Thank you, Madam Chair. And one last thing that I'd like to say to the Bureau of Immigration, sir, Your Honor, we started deliberating and investigating POGO since 2016. I was the chair of the Labor Committee, and during the time, we were able to unearth yung pong pinakamalaking human trafficking doon sa Clark Air Base, 1,200 plus po yun. Kinumend pa po namin, natatanda ko si Senator Sherwin tsaka si Senator Nancy, kinumend pa namin yung Deputy Commissioner, and then a few days later, lumabas po yung video ng Deputy Commissioner, nandun nanghihingi ng 50 million na cash. Nakita ho yun, at ngayon I think nakakulong po sila, si Deputy Commissioner Argosino at isa pang another Deputy Commissioner Robles, no? Madam Chair, hindi na tayo nabibigla kung even the highest police officer pwedeng maging involved dito. Kaya nga po sinabi natin the importance of this committee deliberation, dahil kung hindi po tutuldukan itong evils of POGO, hindi lang mayor ng Bamban ang kayang i-produce ng mga illegal activities ng POGO. I'm sure easily they can produce congresspersons, even senators, and someday probably a POGO-sponsored president. So I hope ang Bureau of Immigration would have the passion right now to clear your agency, sir. Kasi ang dami na ho, no? 2 commissioner na yan. Tapos ngayon, kakatanggal lang nung isang pinalitan po ninyo. Noong pong time ng pinag-uusapan yung SWP, yung Special Working Permits, tayo din po, nilabas po natin yung dyan sa SM Aura na 5,000 lang yung babayaran mo, pati yung security guard, kasama dun sa mafia ng Bureau of Immigration. Siguro naman, marami na ho kayong pinagdaanan, and sana matukoy ho natin, no? Kasi otherwise, ang taong bayan, iba na magiging tingin o baka maging iba yung maging pananaw pag sinabing Bureau of Immigration. So sana po, but just one last question. You believe, sir, na meron po nasangkot na personnel ng Bureau of Immigration dito po sa pagtakas ni alias Alice Go?
Sir Manahan.
Thank you, Madam Chairperson, Your Honor. Sir, hindi ho natin maalis na wala hong kasangkot ang BI, pero as of this time, sir, I'm sorry, cannot still state with affirmation kung meron pong sangkot na taga-BI. But rest assured, Your Honor, Madam Chairperson, na any accomplice or any involvement of any BI personnel, once ma-establish po namin na involved or may involvement, we will file a criminal and administrative case and we will submit to this committee.
Just
At
want
saka,
to
I
put
think,
on
if I
record-
may, Senator Joel, I think, Sir Manahan, huwag tayo magsimula na i-concede na hindi natin matatanggal. Mag-aim po na linisin talaga yung bureau, no? As sinasabi po ni Senator Joel, filing cases is part of it, pero yung simulang-simula ay yung vision nyo na malinis talaga na BI.
Yes, Madam Chairperson. Considering this case and moving forward, we will fully take note of the guidance of Senator Joel Villanueva. Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Madam Chair. No less than the Secretary himself of the Department of Justice made mention about it. So I'm very sure na meron pong part. Kung yung ngayon nga, first time ko lang ho narinig, pati PNP chief before or former PNP chief could be part of this. So almost sure po ako na may part ng BI dito. Thank you, Madam Chair.
Salamat, Senator Joel. And General Villanueva, may narinig po ba kayong kahit sinong high-ranking army official na di umano sinuhula ni Go Huaping?
Madam Chair, I don't have any information about the army officer.
And what about General Karamat? May balita po ba kayo? Ano bang balita nyo tungkol sa dating hepe ng CIDG?
I'm not really sure, sir, kung yun ang ma'am, kung yun ang narinig kong he is part of the information. Hindi ko masyadong sigurado, ma'am. Wala naman kaming formal communication with most of the intelligence officers. May one or two lang nagbumanggit sa akin pero
Tungkol kay General Karamat?
yeah, no ma'am.
Hindi po.
Partly, but
Partly kay General Karamat?
hindi ma'am, yung information hindi parang may sinabi lang sila sa CIDG pero walang specific name na General Karamat, ma'am.
So yung unit ng CIDG ang nababanggit ng ilan mga intelligence operatives. And nabanggit nyo rin po kanina yung monthly na payola. What about mga dating government officials o cabinet secretaries? Kasama po ba sila sa usap-usapan sa intelligence community?
No information, ma'am. None, ma'am.
Alright,
Madam
salamat General. Yes, SP Pro Tempore.
Yung sinasabi niyong monthly payroll, mga police, alam niyo unfair yata sa police organization o sa Philippine National Police in general. Siguro pwede niyo nang pangalanan kung sino itong mga police na na under the monthly payroll. Kasi I think it's unfair for the police organization. Kasi syempre we'll cast doubts on them, on all of them.
Yeah. Madam Chair, actually I don't have the name except there was some rumors in the intelligence community that a former chief PNP, that's only the information.
Former chief PNP?
Yes, sir. We don't have the exact name.
Hindi niyo pwede pangalanan?
I don't have the name, sir, kung sino talaga. Basta former chief PNP lang.
Ano ba? Is that the gossip or? Huh? Anyway,
That's why I said, sir, that the intelligence community are still
Verifying.
verifying it. They had to confirm it yet.
Madam Chair, before you proceed, I would like to move that we invite the partner of Mayor Kalugay,